Hey there, today I have this rechargeable light that was sent over to me from the brand. Let's take a closer look at it. Here's an up close look at the light. As you can see, it's about the size of my palm, so it's not very big. So if we look here, we can see that this is where the recharging port is with the provided USB cord, but it can also charge things like your cell phone using that other port. It only has two buttons on it. It has the power button that turns it on, and that adjusts the intensity of the light itself. And if you long press the power button, it will go into flashing mode. The middle set of lights in here is the battery life of the charge, so you always know exactly how much power is available still. The other button on the light adjusts the light depending on what type light you want, whether you want bright white light or warm contrast light. That's what this button does. This light does swivel, so it's going to get that perfect angle wherever it's needed. There are multiple ways that this can be attached to something when using it. The bottom of it has two strong magnets for those metal surfaces, like maybe under the hood of your car while you're trying to find something. It also has this carabiner style hook for things like tents. And there's even this middle attachment here if you have the proper pole to attach it to. Overall, I think this is a great little light for keeping around. It's not very big, it's super bright, and has multiple uses. If you are looking for a new light to add to that garage or camping trip, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.